Mololtas teleshoing, Tharing Anzo, Sinda Keweki, any Angzi Lopse Newa di Janera. Any Lopse the Bing Karlana, any linear equation in one variable. Then linear ler Tangbo. Okay, Tangbo linear ler. Then linear the sick the Kani lana, ra. Linear sick the Tangbo Kani lana, line line, ra. Line ler, ra. Line nille retsik the linear lana kharak hogor lana ganso. What we call it as a linear lana khala lana highest power of a variable. Linear means highest power of variable is 1. Kisi variable ki any highest power the 1 ina, and then it is known as a linear. Cause say linear lana khande dochik la lahor. Ta pena cha shanata. Okay. Linear lana pena cha shana. Okay. 3x plus 2 do lana khala ore. Ta variable की highest power दिखा से 1 छसा शेसा highest power किसी variable की highest power दी चिकी ना एन गंजो linear लाओ को से ता okay ता linear था ना अनि चिक न्यू दे गंजो खर जंगल ना expression लना खाने तो चिक लाओ रा expression next term दी गंजो ला खर ली लेना expression ली था expression खाने तो पे ना शेषन expression ना लो खाली लेना for example x plus 1 do law है ना तीन आंसर ची expression चिक equation दिखाने okay तब चिक equation लाना खंडे तो चिक लाओ x plus 1 तीन आंसर ला expression छसा तब equation लाना खंडे तो चिक लाओ ता equation लाना आंसर खर कोर लाना x plus 1 तीन आंसर ची expression रे रा x plus 1 the expression रे उन दिखाना किसी equals to 9 do 2 है ना खाचा जोता equation छर्दी equation नांगलो ला खरी होला ना equal to sign here equal to sign and this equal to sign differentiate between the left hand side and the right hand side so equal to sign plays an important role and it differentiate the left hand side and right hand side. So this is your left hand side and this is your right hand side and in totality we call it as a equation. The equation lagon so go to say the linear lana khala gore expression lana khala gore equation lana khala tata linear ganso jang sare highest power of a variable is a 1 equation lana equal to sign you so jo left hand side ta right hand side nikala and number you ta variable you che and in one variable chick correla variable chick mashminda that is x kisi ra dikha raha linear equation in one variable cha what to say okay tata equation sangala khadu na so equal to sign kore ta pena cha shanalar okay ni ki expression chikte re 5x plus 2 tere ta 5x plus 2 dikhalla na so achi dikhalla na linear polynomial re the linear khachela na linear polynomial che linear polynomial in one variable ra variable chik mashomer kharel variable dikhalla na x रे ra any linear दिखंडे ले लेना means linear polynomial in one variable linear kind लागोर लेना any variable कची highest degree दी means power the one रहता है the linear polynomial in one variable चे कैसी लर expression पे ने शासन इंडे ना 4x square minus ra 2 दो ना ता दिखा चल लेना गंजोला quadratic equation चे रखा लेना highest power दी नीच सा वेरिएबल कची किसी हाईएस्ट पावर द नीच है ना द क्वाड्रेटिक चेयर दिखा चले ना क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन चेयर और यू कैन कॉल इक्वेशन लता इक्वल टू साइन गोरा इन क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल चेयर quadratic polynomial in one variable खाना ना वेरिएबल चिक मशमिंदा वेरिएबल 1 is variable is x so it will become a quadratic polynomial in one variable तो पेना शशनंगे example चिगले ने for example 3x cube minus 7x plus 5 Now, this is an expression, but we call it as a cubic polynomial. Why? Because the highest power of a variable is 3. Highest power the gazu a variable kachi 3 chana ngansola khachelan di any khachelan ngansola di khachelana and cubic polynomial chair. Cubic polynomial in any one variable common with the x6 in a power the logarithm. So in variable chik mashmindu laur in one variable goes this say. So this is your linear polynomial, this is your quadratic polynomial, and this is your cubic polynomial goes this say. Okay, the goes na and anzo next topic dikharla na we are going to learn how to solve an equation. Equation di anzo jinda dumbala jang sare ra simple equation jang re sin dumbala ra ta tilang anzo thangbo topic thangbo dikharla na solving equation re anzo achi. So our first topic is solving equation. The equation solved chisamba we have a variable on a one side. So thangbo variable on a one side you can chena variable on one side. Okay, the variable on a one side solve chena anzo. Okay, so pinchashana tua thangbong enter 2x minus 3 equals to 9. Tang anzo sindu dumbala transpose method jangar ra. Transpose method jangar. The transpose method nanglo la khare la na nganzola ta. Okay, nganzola transpose method nanglo la khare la na. Transpose laws and khala transfer law ra. Okay, penchashana left hand side ta right hand side kajke shorta. Nganzo equation solve chizamba we are talking about the left hand side and right hand side, right? Kisi left hand side la lar kisi left hand side la kisi number ki dula positive sign hai na lar on the left side ne right hand side la shift chena its operation will be changed, it will become negative, and kisi left hand side la operation the negative sign hai na and right hand side la to ne and khachela na positive chair chikpa chikya kisi dela multiplication hai na and phacho chola to ne divide chair and dela division hai na sujola multiply chair. So right hand side ne kisi operation positive ina on the left hand side la done khachela na negative chair chikpa chikya negative diga khachela na positive multiply kachi divide kachi multiply and kisi ra and sujola ni khachela na right hand side la negative ina left la le ne positive chair reverse chair diga ko se tang also equation solve chain da dikare variable on a one side re this is dumbala jang sare simple equation re tata also solve shit samba thangbo khachela na thangmo ansta re constant term din so constant term di thangbo phajo side la shift che re ngonjoi ra chen solve shit samba thangbo dikare 2x re 2x la na khalor ra 2x la na ra pen shena 2 pen ra 2 red pen la na jugor 2 is a number and x is a red pen ra. So 2 red pen minus 3 equals to 9 re. That 2 red pen di rangja shaya na nganzo 2x digare 2 red pen re assume che nganzo ra. Tata 9 di khoran sacha la rangja shaya re kisi ngelar negative 3 di left hand side la reda left hand side ne negative 3 di right hand side la dona la. So kisi negative di left hand side la na right hand side la rusamba operation di change che re negative 3 will convert into positive 3 goes say. So 9 plus 3 is 12, right? So 2x 9 plus 3 is 12. Now 2 penler 2 red pen ra. So 2 is a means 2x means ra multiply la reda. So kisi left hand side la multiply yunalar ra number the phajo side la don't divide chair. So we are going to find out the value of x. So 12 as it is to the multiply la yone phajo side la rosamba divide la convert chair ra. So nganso khare the standard formula sure standard formula samba 2 1s are 2 2 6 are 12 then x equals to 6 is your answer. This is how you are going to solve the simple equation or variable on a one side. Ra, indication solve chere. Go to say. Tata. Go an example chiglen data. Okay, one more example I'll take. Suppose, okay, 2y plus 9 equals to 4 लेंगे. Thus similarly, first step, what we'll do, first of all, we're going to solve this. Okay, 2y, 2y as it is equals to 4 diranja che. Positive 9 the left hand side ne right hand side la tonaler. The positive 9 the left hand side ne right hand side la tonaler. Positive ne right hand side la tonaler. Operation the change it. Negative 9 la convert chasa. So 2y equals to negative 9 plus 4. Negative 9 plus 4 is negative 5. Negative 5 chesa. Okay. The 2y re. So 2y दिखा रहे multiply नांगलो ला रे जैसा 2 the फर्स्ट side ला multiply ने left hand side ने right ला draw है ना divide छे. So y equals to negative 5 upon 2. This is your answer. This is how you are going to solve the simple equations that have a variable on a one side. Because say variable side chigla yege then so khande solve chego hame. Okay. Tang so fraction ye mena rational number ki form fractions then so solve che in data. 방법 simple ne chera anjoi. The fraction then so solve che the fraction la khande solve chego hame. Okay, pen session ne thiwa chigere. Solve ler. Solve khare la na x upon 3 plus 5 upon 2 equals to negative 3 upon 2. The fraction formula re thanchi simple re the fraction formula re ra. Okay, the fraction solve system thangbo ta re x upon 3 dikhare variable re da dikhare 5 upon 2 the constant re the constant re without variable thangbo variable the left hand side la sha constant term shift sujol che phajol. Okay, now we are going to solve this. Okay, variable on the left hand side x upon 3 plus, okay, we will keep a variable on the left hand side and then we will copy negative 3 upon 2 as it is. Negative 3 upon 2 the ranja share re the positive 5 upon 2 the left hand side ne right hand side la shift che nalar. The shift che about positive sign the operation dikhala change it negative la share. So it will become negative 5 upon 2. Okay, so x upon 3 as it is negative 3, negative 5. So it will become a negative 8. And to the denominator chikpare means LCM chikpa we can write only once. Now, what is our next step? Our next step is we are going to cross multiply, right? Cross multiply cherda. Cross multiply khar chela na 2 will multiply with the x equals to 3 will multiply with a negative 8. Now 2x means 2 times of x, right? 3 8s are 24. That is negative 24. The 2x dikhare product nalo less multiple nalo la. So next step x equals to negative 24 kcler to the multiply le multiply ne left hand side la multiply le right hand side la done khache le na divide nalo do. So it will become 2, right? So x is equals to standard formula. Standard formula is number 2 1s are 2, 2 12s are. So negative 12, x is equals to negative 12 is your answer. Goes to say, this is how you are going to solve the fraction. The fraction then so khande solve chego me both side. We are going to solving an equation. Solving an equation and then which having a variable on a both hand side. Okay, tata thangbo also simple change the variable you visual also bracket you can solve change. Thangbo simple solve shil samba also khala variable on both side let. left hand side ta right hand side ni kala variable korel ra penecha shana ngi tiwashtere 2x minus 3 equals to x plus 2. Now this is this question have a variable on the both hand side. Now what you will do, you are going to keep a variable on a one hand side and constant on another hand side. So here the variable is 2x, you will write 2x as it is. Tata, the left hand side, this is your left hand side, this is your right hand side, right? Now on the left hand side it is the 2 times of x, right? Here variable is x, here variable is 2x. This is positive x. The right hand side nailer positive number, the left hand side operation change here. So positive x will become a negative x equals to positive 2 as it is. Here on the left hand side the constant number 3, in front of 3 there is a negative number. When this left hand negative 3 shift from left hand side towards the right hand side, its operation will be changed. Negative 3 ne dikha chala na, positive 3 la convert chela. Okay, so 2x minus x lar pen mauni ne pen chig mila teo hai na, pen khachela so chig lehera. So 2x minus x, that is x, and 2 plus 3 is 5. So the value of x is 5. This is how you are going to solve a variable on a both hand side, and this is the simple question. This simple way, this is your simple question. Now I'll give you the bracket 1. Bracket you stand. Okay. Second question. Penetration enter 3x minus 4 plus 2x minus 1 equals to 4. Okay, so first step, what is your first step? First step, you are going to remove the bracket. So first of all, this 3 will multiply with the x, and then this 3 will multiply with the negative 4. And after that, this 2 will multiply with the first x, and then after that it will multiply with the negative 1. So you are using here distribution method. So distribution method bhajatare. So 3 multiply with the x, that is 3x, and then 3 will multiply with the 4. So 3 4s are negative 12 plus 2x, 2 1s are minus 2 equals to 4. Tata variable there. Now we are going to check the same variable. Here the variable is x, and in front of x means the coefficient of x is 3. And here the variable is x and the coefficient of x is 2. Now 3x plus 2x, that is 5. Both the numbers are positive, so you can write it 5x. Like terms add, and then this is negative 12, this is negative 2. So negative 12, negative 2, it will become negative 14. And on right hand side there is a 4. Okay class, now 5x on a left hand side because it has a variable. Now constant term I will shift on another side. So your 4 is as it is, negative 14 when shift from left hand side towards the right hand side, its operation will be changed. It will become a positive 14. So 14 plus 4 is 18. 5x equals to 18, and then x is equals to 18, right? 5x the multiply nareda. When this 5x is in multiple, means the coefficient is 5, but 5x is in multiple, right? Now when you shift multiplication from left to the right, its operation will be changed. It will become divide. So 18 divided by 5. This is your answer. This is the way how you are going to solve, right? One more example I will take. Variable on both hand side. Okay, so suppose 2y minus 3 minus 4y plus 1 equals to 3y minus 2. First step, what is first step? You are going to remove the brackets. The first step is you are going to remove the bracket. So 2 will first multiply with the y. So it will become 2y, right? So 2 will multiply with a negative 3. So 2 3s are 6, but it will become negative 6. Here, negative 4y. Ra. And 4 1s are 4, that is negative 4, equals to 3y, and 3 2s are negative 6. Tata, first of all, you are going to solve the left hand side one. Here it's 2y, here it's negative 4y. So negative 4y and positive 2y are the like terms. So we are going to add this or subtract this. So negative 4y ne negative 4y plus 2y ler. So it will become a 2y, but it is the negative sign because 4 is a greater number and in front of 4 there is a negative sign. That's why we are taking it as a negative 2y. The negative 6, the negative 4 the constant term re. So constant term we are going to add these two. So negative 6 and negative 4. That will become how much? It's become negative 10. On right hand side there is a 3y minus 6. Now what you will do, you will keep a variable on one hand side and constant term on another side. So first of all, you are going to keep the variable on the left hand side. It's negative 2y. Okay, on the right hand side there is a 3y. It is a positive 3y. When positive 3y shift from right hand side towards the left, right ne left shift channel, its operation will be changed. It will become negative 3y equals 2. Similarly, negative 6 as it is. Negative 10. When this negative 10 shift from left towards the right hand side, its operation change, it will become positive 10. Okay class. Now, this is negative 2y, this is negative 3y. Now we are going to add this because these are like terms and your product is negative 5y. Ra. Sujula khare negative 6 plus 10. Ra. Then it will become 4. Ra. So y the khare y equals to 4 and negative 5 re. Ra. In negative 5 the khadu in denominator la sha chogoma. So what we will do, we will keep negative 5 in the numerator. We will shift negative here. Ra. Rational number na denominator dikhadu in negative sha chogoma. Ra. Chesang answer negative the kangla shift chire. So our product is y is equals to negative 4 upon 5 and this is the answer. Go to class. Okay. So thank you so much. Ra. Taring chedu dagarai any exercise for your homework. You have exercise. You are going to for homework. You're going to solve exercise 2.1. This is your homework.